Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the product card color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.ces. You'll see a file named base.ces. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all your store's style code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit the hosttube.net website. The link's in the description with the code we'll use. Just click the button to copy the code. Simply click it. The code will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, we'll see a line to change the product card color. I've set a default code starting with a hashtag. You can choose any color you want. If unsure, use the hosttube.net link to pick a color. Copy and open the link to access the HostTube page. There you'll find a field to select your desired color. So select your desired color here. Once you do, it'll show the code. Just click Copy Code. After copying, go back to Shopify. In our code, find the hashtag and color code. Delete the old code and paste in the new one for your chosen color. I'll keep the default, but you can use any color you like. After picking your color, go to the top right and click Save. Once you click, your changes are saved successfully. Now, when you check your store, you'll see the product card background has changed. I hope this video was helpful.